Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today now we are showing another practical on the CCNA is how to we access the router on the base of SSH secure shell host. Before that we have learned how to access router from telnet, but now SSH is more secure than telnet because data is not passed with in text form in the SSH. It is passes information in very encrypted form. So now we have to take the first the configuration. Before that we can see that this is the topology of RRP routing that we have performed, and we have earlier made one video on the RIP routing, so you can see that configuration on that previous video of the RIP routing. Let's start the configuration of the SSH. First we can see the how the interface we have configured. So IP interface brief. In this you can see that there is a one interface is passive Ethernet 00 and to another is a serial is a 10.0. Both are showing up. Now we can also see the word. So IP route show IP route. So our this is indicated the RR is indicate the RIP routing. Now let's start a configuration of the SSH. So first of all we can give the command line vty-0-50. Similarly to the telnet. Now the telnet password is similarly CCNA. Similarly now enter the command. When we press the enter login, then it command is for the that we have earlier given in the telnet. So it will configure the telnet. Now we have to command give the login dash local. Exit from this command. Again enter the similar command line console 0-50. Now command is for that transport question mark input SSH. This is the transport command for how configuration of SSH. Now we have given the transport. Now we can give the internet username is suppose username is TRP and password is also CCNA. Now again we can give the command is IP domain name. Suppose we can give a similar name is probability.com trp.com. Now another we have to key the crypto key for generate. Crypto key generate RSA. We have already one given key, so we can also replace. Yes, by default this value is 512 and the range is given 362.2048. If we give the more than increase value, it's become the load on that our interface, so we can give the by default value of this crypto key. Now our configuration of SSH is over. Now we can see the configuration of the by using the show running configuration. You can see now we can check with by our desktop, ssh dash l. Our domain is trp and our interface .0.1. Password is CNA. Now we can enter our router with the help of SSH. Similarly, we can do anything here, but we have to get and enable. There is no enable password is set, so we have to first configure the enable password. Similarly, we can suppose give the command, because we earlier gave the enable secret ccnp, because we have already given ccna password 2 or more times, so we can this time configure. So again, ccnp. Now we can enter our user mode. Sorry, we can enter from our user mode to privilege mode. Now we can enter our configuration mode, and we can show all the configuration by using this command. With the help of SSH, we can use we can check our interface and this all the configuration at anywhere there, but we need to configure the SSH. So this is the configuration of SSH. So if you guys like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati and press the bell icon for getting the more videos, and that's it for my today. Thanks for giving the support.